So, what's up, people? We are going to. We have a show at the Billie Holiday Theatre, and we're on our way. This is in our neighborhood. We did it last year, right, Terry? And yeah, the Brooklyn Summer Series. So they're gonna do some interviews, and for us. So we're gonna. The show is on. Today's a Tuesday. The show's on a Friday. A beautiful Tuesday. Nice weather. A little warm, but not. But it's summer, yeah. It's not bad. It's great. It's not killer. So we're on our way to the interview. So a little behind the scenes, as we always do. This is Fulton Street, Brooklyn. All sorts of stuff to sell, to do. Hey, I guess I was doing that. Yeah. Yeah, I missed it. I buzzed the door, kept walking. Hey, how are you? I'm good. I sent it to you. Felt like it was spring 2 minutes ago. Yeah, yeah, cafe. Yeah, cafe will be there. Definitely doing that one. You should check it out. It's really good. They can follow me. I'm Thomas Piper. Everything.
You know what to do, catchphrase?
Not fun. But that's what it is. Alrighty, just finished having our interview. I have my water yet. What's up? I am getting ready for the show today. Tad a little behind the scenes. We're gonna do a new song, and I have a sound that I need to get into the computer. So this is an auto sample. This is the sound. If I can play it again. Patch. This is actually a stereo patch. Anyway, so I auto sampled this here. And so what it does is it samples each note, goes through it, hit sample. I'm gonna just do it for a second. I'm actually gonna cancel it. Yeah, so it goes through each note and auto sampling it, and then put it back in. Anyway, so I'm getting ready to show to get these sounds from the plugins into my push here. Alright, doing the intro for the show. Yep.
Hallelujah. Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. Yes, we are. Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. That we are beautiful. That we are beautiful. Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. Yes, we are. Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. That we are beautiful. What's good? Welcome to Brooklyn. This is Thursday before the show. I have to fix a couple of things. I'm going to B&H, one of my favorite places. Most video people know what B&H is, but I'm going there because one of the lenses in the Insta360 X5 got scratched. So I'm going to get that fixed. I'm going to get it replaced, see how that works. And then also, my cable went bad, kind of ruined my beat scene. I had a beat set that I did at iSolar satellite sessions. The audio was kind of messed up. I think I can fix it, but we'll see. But in the meantime, I figured let's get that done for this show. B&H is one of my favorite places, so I'm gonna head out there. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Yeah, beautiful day. It's like 85, but not humid, a nice breeze. Perfect day to just go out here and do that. I've been rehearsing. You guys are gonna see some of the rehearsal too. But yeah. Live from Bed-Stuy, Stuyvesant. Alright. Hello, what's good? I am Thomas Piper. Welcome to my channel. I am a singer, songwriter, content creator based out of Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, New York. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let's have a discussion. But anyway, let's get to it. Welcome to City to City.
We travel together, you and I. Whoa, come with us. Whoa, places to go. New adventures to explore. Let's go, driving down the road to the next episode, yeah.
I'm on my way from Brooklyn to Manhattan, which is another borough of New York City, to go to the world famous B&H. B&H is a camera store. Anybody who's into cameras, electronics in New York and actually all over the country, the world, knows of B&H. It is the store that I go to get stuff. So it's in Midtown Manhattan. So we're on our way to Midtown Manhattan. I'm going to get
the lens replacements for the Insta360 X5. My back lens has a scratch. The front lens does too. You can actually see a little bit of it in the front line, like a little, it looks like a dot, but that's actually a scratch, and it's just driving me nuts. So I ordered it already, and I'm going to pick it up and get it from B&H. B&H is a unique store. It's got, if you look above you right there, it's got these like, stuff comes down on carts, and it's just amazing store. They have all sorts of events, and it's one of my favorite stores in New York. It's not my favorite store. No, maybe the Apple store in Williamsburg, but it's one of my favorite stores in New York. There's nothing but creatives and creative people there, so I got what I needed, and I am on my way back. I stopped into Whole Foods real quickly, but anyway, yeah, so just enjoy the ride. We're gonna get this thing fixed. And as I'm leaving to go home, I'm going through Moynihan train station. I'll walk through the Moynihan food hall. It used to be a post office, and they took it and expanded it because right next to it is Penn Station. So it's like a part of Penn Station. Penn Station is notorious for being kind of icky looking, but this Moynihan is totally redone. You can see the beautiful glass. This is where you would wait for Amtrak and some Long Island Railroad. And this is me getting ready to go home. Yep.
All right, back from B&H. My Insta360, this X5 fell, and it has replacement lenses because it's got a scratch on the lens. Both lenses actually. One is real small, but might as well replace them both. That's the beauty of this camera. You can replace the lenses. They're very sensitive. If you look at a 360 camera from the side, no matter where you kind of lay it down, it lays down on the lens. So this has a cover. Enough about that though. Let's do this. Let's fix this bad boy.
This is the edited version of me unboxing and replacing the lens on the 360 on my 360 camera. It's a pretty easy process. You're seeing the truncated version, but basically it comes with a cleaning cloth, a cloth to put the camera on, a little circular device that takes the ring off. There's like a ring that holds the lens in place, and then a suction cup device that's attached to the new ring. So that's right there is the ring that takes, this is the device that takes the ring off of the lens. You just turn it counterclockwise, and then you just pull it, and the ring comes off, and then the old lens can easily just pop off. It has a little pry tool to help you take that off. And that's the pry tool right there. You just kind of pop out the lens. And then the new lens is already attached to a suction cup. There, you see the little suction thing that I'm just kind of putting in there. It actually is kind of, you gotta be delicate with it because the suction is not super strong. So if you're not careful, the lens will fall. I actually messed up and literally did it over and then put the old lens back on and then had to do the whole process over. You didn't see that, but it's really easy. It's really great. You synchronize it after you do all this, and then you tighten the ring again, and you're done. And new lenses, good as new. It's one of the reasons why I like this camera over maybe even the Osmo 360. We'll see. I might get both, but anyway, it's a great thing because it's very easy to scratch these lenses. Very easy.
Your bag is open.
What's up, y'all? We are on our way. We are on the way to the Billie Holiday Theatre check an older episode. We were there before. It's a yearly thing, it seems. That's good. We got my dad in the car and Terry driving. I'm not driving today.
Yes, Mr. Daisy.
Yeah.
Yes,
So-
Mr. Daisy.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Don't want folks to know what's going on.
Alrighty, we are here.
Voice down, talk real low.
Change it up this year.
So there's no witnesses, so they can keep up
Might
the
be
little
nice.
show. This is just a test, and you pass. Try to trick you with a clown mix from your past. See, that's a piano in it. It's not a piano.
Yes, sir. All right. Can I get and then more music inside. A little more music up here. Yes, sir.
Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. Yes, we are. Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. That we are beautiful. That we are beautiful.
Yeah, they don't know us, don't care to know, don't understand why. Think they're above us, brought us here to suffer, woe to die. Yes, they don't know us, maybe they're scared of the beauty, yeah, inside. But I am of us, and I can see the light that I know shine. Those who look down on us, they'll see that we are beautiful. Yes, we are. Those who look down on us, well, they'll see that we are beautiful. Yes, we are. Oh, they know about us, say afraid to find what we could be. Yeah, with a little love, I said it. They should stand beside us, but they're too scared, they're not secure. No, enough. Yeah, I said, afraid to love us, afraid to see what happens in due time. Yeah, but I am of us, and I feel like that I know shine. Those who look down on us, whoa, they'll see that we are beautiful. Yes, we are. Those who look down on us, whoa, they'll see yeah, that we are beautiful, yes, we are. I said, ba-da-da-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-ba-da. Those who look down on us, I said it. I say, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, those who look down on us, they say, I said it, ba-da-da-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-da. Hey, those who look down on us, I say, ba-da-da. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
That was Those Who Look Down on Us. It's a new song. I've been performing it for a while, so you guys might have seen it, but it's getting released very soon, and it's now exclusively available on Bandcamp just for subscribers. So there'll be a link above, so if you want to subscribe, $10 a month to get all my new stuff, that's the way to do it. Also, let's check out some other musicians who performed at the show. Great event.
Loud is honest. It's okay if you hear me, quote me if you must. Tell them you heard me say that. People want to disrespect you quietly as a sign of fake respect. Don't want folks to know what's going on, just keep it inside. Keep your voice down, talk real low, so there's no witnesses and they can keep up their little show. This is just a test and you passed. Tried to trick you with a clown mix from your past, but I wasn't with it though. I got swords at my side always, you just can't see them until I need them though. Peaceful always, never been too passive. I'm the type to fight for my peace. Peace is dangerous. Get you a piece, there's danger. Peace is dangerous. Don't come for my peace, it's dangerous. Willing to fight for my peace, yeah, it's dangerous. If I gotta choose between you and peace, you in danger. Calm still, energy moving with a calm kill. Swear the sky blows kisses at me.
good people.
End of the night. Right, peoples? End of the night. Where's that? Watch the car? I'm coming. Think of it. Alright. Another night for the Lord. For the Lord. Ooh. Woo. Yeah.
I want to thank all of you guys for hanging in there with me. I want to thank Terry, my parents. I also want to thank the Billie Holiday Theatre, everybody who was involved, Hollis, the whole crew over there for making this happen. Hopefully you guys can like and subscribe, spread the word. The next episode is going to be it's going to be actually from the past. So it might be the Lincoln Center episode. So that one is more of a big documentary kind of vibe. So I hope you guys enjoy that one that's coming up next. But yeah, so we're out. Let me know where you want to see me go next. We're getting ready to release music, so we'd like to go different places. Let us know. All right. Thank you. Love you. I'm out.